Actually, what is the deal? I should solve directly, or will you try for 2 minutes like that? What is the procedure? Loudly, ma? Huh? Only I should solve. Okay, very good. Okay, students. So here a few questions visible now. Question number 3. The peak voltage of 220 volt AC mains how much? He gave AC mains means I told just now all AC currents are measured in RMS voltage only, na? So this 220 volt is what? RMS or what? That is RMS is given. So given RMS voltage is equal to how much? 220 volt. Is asking what? Peak voltage. Say sir, no. Just now I told RMS voltage formula what? Very good. Peak voltage by root 2 is equal to how much? 220. So what is the peak voltage equal to? 220 into root 2. Means 220 into root 2 means what? 1.4. 220 wrong. 155 wrong. 1.4 into 22 how much? 22 into 14 if you do 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8 and 22. How much? 30. It means option 3 is the correct answer.
Sir, how VRMS 220?
Any AC voltage is measured in RMS voltage, na? That is the final conclusion. Then that is RMS voltage only. Any AC device, what are the readings are written? Those are all are RMS values only. RMS current and RMS voltage. Okay. Question number 5. For solving, I need some space. This is actually Super China. Same syllabus is there for everyone. Super China topic also. Tomorrow test is there, na? What?
Sir, we will try, sir, and then you.
Yeah, you try. Everyone try for some time. You have to think, if I do problems, my talent will increase, my knowledge will increase, your brain will be idle. Zoom only, na? Okay, Zoom. Oh, sorry. I will also guiding you. Alternating current in the circuit is given so and so, and you have to find time taken to rise from 0 to RMS value. How much is asking? What is RMS value? Let's say after t seconds, what is the current? How much RMS value? What is RMS value? I naught by root 2. So substitute this value here. What do you get? I naught by root 2 equal to how much? I naught into sine of 2 pi n into t. I naught cancels out. 1 by root 2, what I can write? Sine of pi by 4 I can write now. Say yes or no? Sine cancels out. So I can write pi by 4 equal to how much? 2 pi n into t. Pi cancels out. What is time taken? 1 by 8n is your answer. Option 4 is the correct answer for the question. Got it? Try this question number 10, everyone. Everybody, question number 10. An alternating voltage of 200 root 2 into sine of 100 into t is connected to a condenser. Condenser means what? Capacitor. Then reading of the ammeter. Don't do it. Concept is not completed. Sorry. I did not see the condenser. Try question number 1. Everyone, please try question number 1. The RMS value of an alternating current of frequency, how much? 50 hertz is how many ampere? 10 ampere. Then time taken by the alternating current in reaching from 0 to maximum value, how much is asking? Zero to maximum value, how much is asking? Two questions are there. Time he is asking, peak current also is asking. Given frequency equal to 50 hertz, RMS value of the current equal to how many ampere? 10 ampere. Option 1. Any supporters for option 1? Is asking what the time taken to reach from where to where? 0 ampere current to maximum value of the current. And is asking peak value of the current also, how much is asking?
Sir,
Two questions.
option one, sir.
Option 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me check RMS current formula, how much? Peak current by root 2 equal to 10. So peak current equal to how much? 10 into root 2 means 10 into 1.4. So 14.14 ampere. So option 2 wrong. Option 3 also wrong. How much time taken to increase the value from 0 to maximum? This is a sinusoidal current. Here current I am plotting on y-axis and time I am plotting on x-axis. Current is 0 to what the maximum value of current? Here only na. How much time it will take? 1/4 of time period only na. Total time taken to produce one full cycle is capital T. What is the time taken here? T by 4 only na. Say yes or no. So time taken is 1/4 of time period. But time period directly not given, indirectly given. That is 1 by frequency I can write. 1 by 4 into 1 by frequency value how much? 1 by 50. So 1 by 200 means how much? 1 by 2 into means 0.5 into 10 power minus 2. So option 4 is the perfect answer for the question.
Sir, that T by 4 not an issue, sir. Why you have to take T by 4?
Okay. This is one full cycle, no?
Yes, sir.
Then this is half cycle only, na?
Yes, sir. T by
Then this is 1/4 of cycle only, na?
Yes, sir.
So T by 4. This is total time period is capital T, na?
Yes, sir.
Understood. So T by 4. That's all. Try question number 23, everybody. At least tell me strategy. You don't do, just tell me, sir, we have to do like this, we have to do like this. Tell me. The voltage versus time graph for a triangular wave having peak value how much? V0 as shown in the figure. Find the RMS value of V in time interval from where to where? 0 to 1/4 of the cycle. 1/4 of the cycle you have to. Someone tell me the formula. Shabash. RMS voltage equal to how much? Biscuit. That is for sinusoidal only, na? This is the triangular wave. That V0 by root 2 applicable for only sinusoidal. This is triangular wave, na? Understood? That concept will not valid. Original conceptual way only have to do. Now tell me original conceptual formula for this. Very good. Root
V0 square.
Shabash. V0 square. Sorry. V square into dt by integration of 1 into dt. What is instantaneous voltage? From 0 to t by 4. This straight line only you have to consider, na? Are you understanding? This only you have to consider, na? So tell me what is the instantaneous voltage at any time small t seconds. You take in at any time small t seconds, the voltage is V. Just straight line with positive slope only, na? Somebody tell me what is the straight line equation? Very good. Y equal to mx plus 0. Y 0 passing through origin. Intercept is 0. Y intercept is 0. Y value how much? Current only, na? Current on y axis, na? Who will tell slope formula? Please respond. If you tell only, I will write slope formula. Slope means y coordinate by x coordinate only, na? Everyone knows or don't know? Slope. X coordinate what? Very good. V. Sorry, one mistake I have done. Y axis is voltage, na? So take voltage. What is the slope? Means y coordinate. Y coordinate is what, right? V naught, V naught. I think I overlapped. So V naught only, na? Say sir, no. V naught by x coordinate how much? Very good. Capital T by 4. 4 will go numerator. X value how much? T only, na? Correct. On this is the instantaneous voltage. Means at the time of t seconds, voltage will be there. So substitute nicely here. So what I can write here? RMS voltage equal to how much? Under root of integration of V value how much? 4 V naught by capital T into T whole square into how much? dt and small t. Put the limits from where to where? 0 to t by 4. Here also how much? 0 to t by 4. Then carefully under root of constants I will take outside. What are the constant? 16 V naught square by capital T square. I will take outside integration of t square into dt from, sorry, inside the root only. Integration of, put the limits, what do you get? T by 4 minus 0. T by 4 minus 0. Then if you simplify RMS voltage, how much? This total thing will come outside, na? 4 V naught by capital T and under root of integration of t square, how much? T cube by 3 from 0 to t by 4 and t by 4. So 4 into V naught by t and under root of how much? 1 by 3 into how much? T by 4 and whole power 3 minus 0 and whole divided by how much? T by 4. So if you simplify 4 into V naught by t and under root of how much? 1 by 3 into t cube by 4 cube and divided by t by 4. T cancels out, 4 cancels out. So 4 V naught by t, this t square if you take outside capital T and 4 if you 4 square if you take outside, 4 will come outside under root of 1 by 3. T cancels out, this thing. So V naught by root 3. Like that, for direct formulas will not work out here. Original conceptual manner we have to work out. Are you understanding, everyone? Here only I will ask one question. Find the RMS, find the average value of the voltage over a full cycle. Relevant to the graph only, you people find the average value of the voltage over a full cycle. 0. Why? Because this is full cycle, na? Average value means what? Integration of V into dt by dt, no. This is area under the graph only, na? Mean this area under the graph nullified by this area under the graph. So 0 only, na? Understood or not understand? Question number 1. Definitely you will tell, sir, we will do, we will do, we will do. Will you tell, huh? No, so then I will only do. So an alternating current I ampere is given what? I is equal to I naught into sine of 2 pi into small t by capital T plus 1 by 4. Then you have to find average current in the first 1 quarter time period. Who will tell average current formula? Many students, many lazy students will put directly 2 I naught by pi.
Sir, I not by pi.
They will put that only. I don't know. Even I am this much experienced. I don't know that technique. How will you tell?
This is for half cycle, sir. We are asking for quarter minute, sir. Again by 2
Who
minutes.
said quarter will be half of the half?
1 by 2 is half of 1 by 4 only, sir.
No, no.
1 by 2 is half of 1 by 4.
That is not that thing. This is integration and lot of understood. One fully equal to 2 halves, 1 half equal to 2 part. Not like that. This is integration you have to do. Understood. So tell me what is average current concept? Tell me correct concept. Integration of instantaneous current into dt and whole divided by integration of 1 into dt. Scientifically you have to prove. Even though your answer is correct, you should not trust yourself without justification. I am telling. Ray, in this way, if you trust means I will not accept. Trust with justification. Understood? I value substitute here. Again, you only finally you will add. Huh? Then I am telling get 720 next test. Okay. Do it. Okay, listen. Everyone listen. No? Next Monday test Arshit 720. Okay. Then sign off how much 2 pi small t into capital T. So t by t na, plus 1 by 4 and into how much dt whole divided by whole divided by integration of 1 into dt. I naught I will take outside. And what is integration of sine?
Minus cos.
Very good. Minus cosine 2 pi into small t by capital T plus 1 by 4. And again this total term inside the bracket differentiate in the denominator. 2 pi by t will coming outside. Understood at this step? All constant I am taking outside. D small d by dt by dt will be 1 only na. And what is the differentiation of 2 pi 1 by 4? It will be 0. Then put the limits from where to where? 0 to quarter. Then put the limits. Again this integration of 1 into dt also how much? Small t, put the limits from 0 to t by 4. Are you understanding? Ma, if you don't understand, please stop me immediately. If you have any problem, talk to me. Understood? So,
1 by 4 means 1 by 50 only, sir.
1 by?
He is saying that 1 by 4 is integrate means t by 4 only. And integrate problem differentiate problem. அது வந்து cos மட்டும் தான் இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணோம். sin இருக்குல அது மட்டும் தான் இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணோம். 2 by t by t plus 1 by 4 தான் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணி டினாமினேட்டர் பண்ணோம். அதான் ப்ரொசீஜர். அதான் ப்ரொசீஜர்.
Two intelligence talking world will not understand. Finally, I realized. Okay.
He is saying integration, sir. Then why are you differentiating the 2 pi t by t plus 1 by 4? Why we are differentiating? He is asking.
That is max rule.
That only I told you. procedure.
Okay. Now I understood. Okay. So here minus I naught into, substitute the limits first, then cosine of how much? 2 pi bracket start how much? First put upper limit. What upper limit, right? T by 4 into T plus 1 by 4 and bracket closes. Then minus of cosine of how much? Bracket start. This is your 2 pi into how much? 1 by 4 and whole divided by how much? 2 pi by capital T and whole divided by, then put upper limit here. What do you get? T by 4 minus 0. So minus I naught into cosine of tt cancels out. 2 pi by 4 means definitely pi by 2 plus, this is what pi.
Sir, 1 by 4 will 2 by 4, sir. 1 by 2.
2 pi by 4 means this also pi by 2. Very good. Minus cosine of pi by 2 and whole divided by how much? This 2 pi by t na, t will go this side upside and divide by how much? 2 pi, and into t will come this side and 4 will go upside. Tt cancels out, so 2 ones are 2, 2s are, so what do you get? Minus I naught by pi, and cosine 180 value how much?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 and minus 0. So I naught by pi.
Sir, the 2 you missed, sir.
Which 2?
The numerator 2 is there, no, sir. That side. The 2 you missed. 4 we have answered. 2 I not by pi will come.
Yes, is correct. 2 I naught by pi. Here this 2 I missed. So cosine 180 means how much? 1 only, na? Surely. Minus 1, correct only. So what is your answer? What is your answer? 2 I naught by pi only the answer. Understood? Please don't this kind of things you should not do. You have to bubble the option means with a justification, with scientifically justification only you have to do. Clear? Try question number 3, everyone. Question number 3, everybody. The equation of an alternating current, how much is given? I is equal to 50 root 2 into sine of 400 into pi into t. Then find the frequency, how much? Then root mean square value of the current, how much is asking. What a frequency, right? This is omega, na? This is omega into t. Omega equal to how much? 400 into pi. Omega value how much? 2 pi f equal to 400 into pi. Pi cancels, so f value how much? 200 hertz.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3. Let me check. RMS current how much? Next question. Directly you can use the formula I naught by root 2. Why? Because sinusoidal current, na? Sinusoidal current means directly you can use I naught value how much? Peak value of current. 50 root 2 by root 2. Root 2 cancels out, so 50 ampere. So 250 is your answer. Option 1 only the right answer for the question.
Sir, if they didn't specify that curve means we should take sinusoidal curve.
Come again, once again.
No, sir, if they didn't specify that the curve means we should take that's sinusoidal curve, or they have either given sign, so we took the sinusoidal curve.
This is sine is there, na, nicely. Cosine also sine. Cosine meaning like this graph will come. Then sine you can write as cosine. Cosine term is there also, that is sinusoidal curve.
Okay, sir.
See here, students, this is our next question. In an AC circuit, the voltage applied is equal to how much is given? Is equal to E naught into sine of omega t. And what is the total current? I mean, instantaneous current flowing in the circuit? I naught into sine of omega t minus pi by 2. Then the power consumption in the circuit given by how much is asking. You know, what is the power consumed, students? Average power consumed, how much? Who will tell average current or average power formula? Integration of p into dt by integration of 1 into dt. Say yes or no? Who will tell then power formula next? This is a instantaneous power, na? Who will tell instantaneous power formula? Instantaneous EMF into instantaneous current. So I can write instantaneous EMF into instantaneous current into dt by total time. What a total time? Over a full cycle only, na? Over any full cycle only you have to take. Full cycle means t from where to where? 0 to capital T. Here also from 0 to capital T. So I can write average power equal to how much? Integration of, you people tell me what is the EMF induced at any time t seconds? What a voltage drop across? E naught into sine of omega t into what a instantaneous current equal to? I naught into sine of omega t minus pi by 2 into how much? Dt and whole divided by capital T. E naught, I naught I can take outside now. And by T also I can take outside. Integration of how much? Sine of omega t. And I will expand this sine A minus B formula how much? Sine of A minus B formula how much? Sine A into cosine B plus, sorry, minus cosine A into sine B. Correct or not? So I will write that sine of omega t into cosine of 90 minus cosine of omega t into sine of 90 into dt. So I can write E naught into I naught and whole divided by capital T and integration start. So sine of omega t again bracket start. Cosine 90 means what? 0. 0 into something will be, this total term will be vanished. And minus sine 90 value how much? 1 minus, sorry, minus cosine omega t into dt. Understood? So I can write E naught into I naught by t minus I will take outside and integration of sine omega t into cosine omega t into dt. I will multiply with 2 and I will divide with 2. This total term I can write what? How much? How much? Minus E naught I naught by 2t into how much this is? Integration of sine 2 omega t into dt. What is this value? Tell me.
Minus cos 2 omega t by 2 omega.
Think and tell. 0. In many times I told average value of sine omega t, sine 2 omega t, sine 3 omega t, sine even cos omega t, cos 2 omega t, cos 3 omega, everything will be 0. So what is your answer? 0. One alternative method is there. In NEET, you should not do like this. As concept, I did not teach. I did like this. But actually, average power formula ERMS into IRMS into cosine of pi. It is an alternative method and short method. In your exam, you should do like this only. You have to remember this. Tomorrow, I will derive this.
They are asking average power only. For full cycle.
Full cycle only. Everything will do for full cycle only. I mentioned no.
We got average current is 0 only, no, sir. full cycle. From that on,
Not like that.
Sir,
No,
but
no.
I did it came 0, sir.
You will do like that, it will come, but don't do that experiments reality. I said na, without justification, leave that, but don't do.
Yeah, but in this anyway, we will put I naught by root 2, you know, sir. This you given formula you gave us, sir. IRMS we write I naught by root 2. I naught is 0, then power 0.
Yeah, that only I am telling. Tomorrow I will explain this. For time being, you remember this. Huh?
That only.
That only?
Okay, sir.
Then ERMS value how much? Phase difference between what a phase of the EMF ray? What a phase of the voltage? Omega T. What a phase of the current? Omega T minus 90. What is the phase difference between them? This one minus this one, pi by 2. Substitute here phase difference. Cosine 90 you will get. How much that will be? 0. In the exam, you have to do like this. Actually, you don't need to use pen and paper. You have to do like this only. But this is a original conceptual approach. This thing you should know. This thing also you should know. In complex scenarios, this method you have to use. In simple scenarios, this scenario you have to use. Okay, friends, I know you are very time punctual. So time over also I know. So now you can leave. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Bye.